Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sell Binance PEG XRP. Selling Binance PEG XRP on Binance is similar to selling regular XRP, but with a few small differences, specifically if you are working with the Binance Smart Chain. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Make sure that you are logged into your account. First of all, check that you have Binance PEG XRP. If your Binance PEG XRP is held on Binance Smart Chain, you might need to convert it to the native XRP for trading. Navigate to Trade option here and go to the Spot option. After that, search for appropriate XRP trading pair such as XRP USDT or XRP BUSD. After that, review the details here. You need to enter your amount here. Now, click on Sell button to complete the transaction. Once sold, your new balance will show on the chosen currency, for example USDT or BUSD. So that is how you can sell Binance PEG XRP. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.